to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
This is the way to start a honeymoon right here.
Honeymoon, here we come.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thorn, and we break.
Let's go to the Seychelles.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow.
All right, day 2 here, and we're gonna go to the beach finally.
Beach day.
Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
All right, babes, where are we going today?
Yay! We're going to Digue. I'm so excited.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
Oh yeah. Okay. We did it.
Did something.
Fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
About 7:45 in the morning, a little bicycle ride to someplace we can't pronounce. How do you say it?
I have no idea.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. We are kings of the world.
I was like, look at this rock. Boogers.
Closed at like 4 p.m.
That was an exhausting 24 hours.
Very exhausting. It's 10:30 a.m. We had breakfast. We kayaked. Got to work that out.
Ready to go back to paradise and bouginess.
Pushiness.
I would do anything. I would do
Russian got it on lockdown, you know.
Damn.
It's like it's better than Miami.
Better than
Yeah.
Miami.
You know how
They don't
it
have
is.
a Dr. Lotion.
Seychelles, man, the island, the motherland.
Thank you.
Alright.
I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love.
Priscilla saw 3 ants this morning.
Okay. It's more dramatic than that. I woke up to an ant crawling on me.
And
then there was
now
one
look,
on the
they
sheet.
got 17 people inside cleaning. They're throwing everything away. There goes an entire bed. What do you have to say for yourself?
I woke up of ants crawling on me and on my comforter, so I told them.
And now look, we have to get a brand new bed.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
It's our last night. This
Off to Creole nights.
beautiful place.
Yeah, it's an incredible place.
Get one more good one. You ready for some back curry?
Are you ready for some back curry?
Hell yes.
The chef's special prepared Lance some fat curry. Here he is.
When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about us.
That's it.
That's it.
Got any final thoughts? Leaving today?
I hope we come back to the Four Seasons Seychelles because it's pretty magical.
We got a travel day today, and then we start part 2 of our honeymoon.
Lego.
You